Hi, my name is Louie Sweet AKA SweetRugz and I make rugs. So I started making rugs at the beginning of lockdown just as a hobby, and it turned into a business. It was actually my brother's idea. He sees some videos on TikTok and he said to me, just start making some rugs. So I got all of the equipment and started. So the first thing I do is draw the image onto the fabric. Once the image is drawn on, I then go around and do the outline of the colouring. I think the satisfying part of the whole process is actually gluing the rugs. Once everything is then glued, I then have to go around and cut around the outline and then just add a backing. And that is it, we have the rugs. So I actually learned to make a rug by watching the videos itself. So I'd go onto their other people's rug pages and just look at the tips and tricks that they gave. It's actually really easy to pick it up. So the favourite rug I've made so far is the blue childish one. I don't think anything can really top that. That was the first rug that I fully made and the biggest, and yeah, it just looks amazing. Right, so my dream commission would probably be to do some rugs with the Sidemen. I've watched them for ages, and it would just be so nice to get them rugs and sort them out. Thank you for watching this video. If you want your own sweet rugs, then all you have to do is message me on Instagram and I'll get that sorted.